Let us proceed with our other part of the nervous system. In the nervous system, there are two types of the cell, and those types of the cell divided into two. We have neuron cell and the neuroglial cell. And those two types of the cell are specialized the connective tissue cell. The neuron conduct the impulse where the neuroglial cell support the neurons. In the neuron, there are three main parts: cell body, dendrite, and axon. Cell body process the impulse that dictated by the dendrite, where the dendrite has a projection that transmits impulse in the neuroglial cell body. The axon transmits the impulse from the neuron cell bodies. The neurons be classified in structurally and functionally. There are three types of functional classification of the neurons. We have a sensory neurons, motor neurons, and interneurons. When we say about the sensory neurons, the types of the neurons which transmit the impulse to the spinal cord and the brains, where the motor neurons and transmit impulse in the opposite direction away from the brain and the spinal cord, whereby the interneurons conduct the impulse from the sensory neuron to the motor neurons. The nervous system categorized into two. We have a sensory nervous system and a peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is the central of the body. The central nervous system is comprised of the brain and the spinal cord along the middle sagittary plane of the body. When we say about the middle sagittary plane of the body, it is occur in the center of the brain, the spinal cord. Where the peripheral nervous system is occur in the periphery of the body. Peripheral nervous system is subdivided into two. We have autonomic nervous system and the somatic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system, it deals with the contraction of the heart and the secretion of different chemical compounds by the glands. Thank you for listening me. We proceed with the next session.